Nithyananda everyone. So the next instrument which we are going to be learning today is the chimtha. Yes, you see here, right? This instrument is called as the chimtha. This instrument is widely popular in the Punjab folk songs. Usually Punjabis use this instrument more often, and if you have seen this instrument, there is a long flat piece of steel which is there, and on top of it there are 40 brass jingles. These are called as the brass jingles, and there are 40 brass jingles are fixed on top of the steel. You can see here, in each line there is 2 brass jingles. So here 5, 10, and so in this itself 10 is there, 20, and this side 20. So 40 brass jingles are fixed on top of the steel. So basically they use this for bhajans, and during the dance at the back of the stage while dancing they use this and then dance with it. And during the Rathotsvam, where the deity is taken out for procession, during those times also, while the other instrument and everything is being played, and when the bhajans are going, they use this instrument for playing. They use this instrument for playing in the procession. So basically, you just hold whichever hand you are comfortable with. Because I am right hand, so I just keep the main hand here. Here you see it, right? Here, and the other hand you just keep it here. You see, they just left a place where you can hold the instrument with the hands. Here you can see here, you can hold it like this. So, and you take it like this, and then you just play it, you just push it up, pull it up. So you just bring both the sides together and play it during the bhajans. So that's how these chimthas are played during the bhajans. So thank you, Nithyananda.